Well, here we go for something. I'm back. So tonight I'm going to be making some chicken breasts, and it's to be the best damn chicken breast you ever had. The ingredients are, let me see, a little salt, Italian seasoning, garlic, black pepper, paprika, some almond flour, and a couple eggs, a couple breasts, some marinara sauce, and some Parmesan cheese. I'll put in the comments the measurements of each one. So right there I've got 4 tablespoons of the almond flour, half a teaspoon each of garlic powder, Italian seasoning, paprika, salt, black pepper. Just stir it up here. Here's the 2 eggs beaten well to make like a wash for the chicken. Now this chicken is pretty thick, so I'm going to what I call tenderize it or move it down to about 1/4 inch evenly, and we'll see what happens then. Next I'm going to pour the mixture with the almond flour on here and dip the chicken into this, the egg wash, and then have it coat to both sides of the chicken. Meanwhile, I'm heating up my pan to cook the chicken in. That's a 12-inch skillet. So I've got them down to size, spread them out a little bit. They're about 1/4 inch thick. And now I'm going to do the wash. Hang on. So I've got about 2 inches of oil, 2 tablespoons of oil that is cooking in here, and it sounds good. So now I'm going to do this. Take a breast, take it through the dip. So I've covered both sides. Here's a little bare spot, so I'll put some on there. Sort of pat it in there. And a couple minutes ago, I just want to check the progress of this. It looks pretty good. I've preset the oven to 425. And I've cleaned up already. That's what I love about parchment paper. Using parchment paper, you can just toss it then. No muss, no fuss. Okay, that's been about 4 minutes on this side. Let's pick that up a little bit, see if it's nice and brown. Yeah, it's looking good. So I'm just going to flip it and cook it 4 more minutes on the other side. Looking good for 4 minutes. Looking really good. Set the timer 4 minutes. Now about 2 minutes have gone by. Now I'm going to introduce some of the marinara sauce. Just pour it on there. So now I'm going to introduce some. We've got the 4 minutes. I'm going to introduce some Parmesan cheese. Normally I use goat cheese on here, little strips of it. But I didn't have any, so Parmesan cheese has got to do the trick. A couple tablespoons on there. Cut off the heat. So make sure you turn off your heat on that. I'm going to pop it in the oven. Watch this handle on this cast iron pot. It's hot as heck. So it's in the oven in there. I'm going to let that cook for about 8 minutes or so. Then that's my dinner. So there you can see the cut. Looks beautiful, cooked all the way through. I'm going to enjoy that tonight. And here's the other piece. That'll probably serve me for a couple days. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll start making more soon. As a matter of fact, what else do I have here? Oh, let me look in here. Oh, look at that. I have some salsa. I've got some salsa in there that I set in the refrigerator overnight, and it's just making all the spices blend together. And I have a beautiful recipe for that too.